we have made it here. Parking our car. And about to go and clean the highway. Ooh, almost tripped. Thanks, buddy. Just finished our Adopt a Highway section in Cary with Jane and Antoine. And we found ourselves a bazooka, a couple of car parks, tons of junk, all in an hour. Yep. This is our second year of doing Adopt a Highway, and we actually adopt several different different highways. Right now we have one in Cary's and one in Kernersville, and you just have to do it 4 times a year, which isn't too bad. It'll only take a few hours, and of course, you know, you can finish quicker if you have more people. But even if you have one person, you still can get some stuff done. And I don't know, I mean, I think it's good just to kind of walk around, get some exercise, and also help the community stay a little bit cleaner. So I hope you guys join us and help make our community better.